Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the average of a set of values in Canva Sheets. So over here I have this table of a couple of students and their test scores, and I want to calculate the average of these test scores that the students got. So to calculate the average, click on the cell that you want to calculate the average in, and then click on equals, type in equals average, and you can see it in the list here, and then you can click on it. And now you have to choose the values that you want to calculate the average of. So you can you can just drag the values, or you can click on one and then shift click to the end of the list, and that's how you calculate it. And now just click enter, and that's the average of these students' test scores, and that's how you calculate the average in Canva Sheets. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.